Hi guys, how you doing? Design Syndrome here. 31-day poster challenge, day 10. Let's get it. Let's hop into the Discord real quick to take a look at today's triggers. If you want in the challenge, you can just join in from the Discord link down below and join the community of over 1,000 artists that are already in the Discord, sharing their artworks and improving together. Okay, so let's see. Filial piety is a Chinese Buddhist concept that conveys the idea of showing love and respect to our elders. Then we have the word body and the phrase grit and grace. I think I'm most drawn to body and grit and grace. I'm not sure about the piece that I want to do, so let's just hop into Photoshop, open a canvas and see what happens. Let's put some music. Okay guys, I'm finished. This is the finished piece. I really love how it turned out. I went for something like grit and grace, but then also the body made me think about the concept of becoming, right? Like you yourself sort of becoming who you are. It made me think of the concept of the person, right? Of an individual. So I played around with this, with the main phrase and also the concept behind the words. And the grit and grace, I think I managed to slide it in there with a really like classy composition, but at the same time heavily textured and with some really nice grain to it. Such amazing detail. Okay, so that's it my guys. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one. Fuck peace, wish you conflict. Sheesh.